Hey guys, in this video, I am finally sharing with you really the #1 secret to not only keeping your own car in perfect condition over the long term, but also keeping your maintenance clients and your regular detailing customers' cars in perfect condition over the long haul. And it really doesn't have anything to do with you detailing. So guys, this is a very simple and straightforward video, but it's one I've actually held out on making because frankly, sometimes you think, should I really share all my secrets out there even if they are really simple and they're probably really obvious? But you know what, today I had a wild hair and thought, okay, I'm going to get to it. So before we talk about anything else, make sure to go below in the YouTube description box if you guys are wanting the top 12 tools and products for professional detailers right now. Go below, grab my Essential Detailing Toolbox. It's the top 12 products all for under $500 that are gonna help you start your detailing business. And if you get that list of top 12 tools and products, you're also going to get to your email inbox a free video series that shows you how to use the products and how not to use the products so that you avoid the mistakes that I made the last decade using these products that can be dangerous if you're not careful. But this is also a great way to just avoid wasting money on tools and products that don't work. Go below in the YouTube description box, grab that. Now let's get into the video. Now I'm not gonna waste anybody's time. What I've got is a tiny little spray bottle full of, this is tap water, it's not distilled water, and it's filled up about 3/4 of the way. I'm gonna open this up. I've got Optimum No Rinse in my gallon size, which frankly, it would be a lot easier not to pour a gallon size of Optimum No Rinse, but I'm going to do it anyways. Now all I'm doing is filling up this bottle as much as I can, let's say like with 3 to 5 tablespoons, nothing crazy. How I did not spill that, I really don't know. Shake it up just like this, and believe it or not, this is actually the secret. Now I know what you guys are thinking, this is super anticlimactic and yeah, what's the big deal about this spray bottle? I want to talk about the business aspect of this. Obviously, this spray bottle is used as what we would call an all-purpose cleaner and let's say all-purpose protector for really any part of the car other than something like fabric. So this solution of Optimum No Rinse, let's say 3 tablespoons for the rest of water here. And by the way, I actually could dilute this a lot more. I could use 1 tablespoon of Optimum No Rinse per this entire thing filled up with water. Okay, I don't know exactly how much this holds, but this is actually a little bit stronger solution that I might even suggest. I was just filling it all the way up to the top. Now this product can be used on what? It can be used on interior glass, exterior paint, exterior black plastic trim, exterior wheels, exterior anything except for let's say the rubbers, tires, or like felt wheel wells. On the interior, it can be used on dashboards. It can be used on the steering wheel. It can be used on any hard rubbers, vinyls, plastics, leather seats, interior glass, like I said. It can be oversprayed onto carpets and it's not gonna hurt anything. It can be used on your rear view mirror. It can be used on the navigation screen. It can be used on the speedometer plastic behind the steering wheel and in front of the speedometer. What am I getting at? This product right here can be used on everything on the interior, everything on the exterior. Not only does it clean at a surface level, it's a rinseless wash, but it also leaves a small layer of temporary protection behind without being greasy, oily, or overly shiny. What does that mean for me? It means this bottled product right here that you can't buy ready to use because Optimum doesn't sell it that way is the perfect product for me to actually give to my maintenance client to keep in their glove box with a microfiber towel so that when they spill coffee in the cup holder, when they get dust on the dashboard, when they get fingerprints from their kids on the inside of the windows in the back, they can spray this on it, lightly wipe with the microfiber, and it goes away and it's protected. This little secret that I have left behind in my maintenance clients' vehicles for the last, I don't know, 6 years has been my saving grace. Not only is it my saving grace because it actually causes my customer to keep their vehicle in better condition while I'm not seeing it, but of course, secondly, it serves as an actual tangible gift more than just like a water bottle or a mint left behind where people feel like they're actually getting something. And thirdly, in my experience, this type of product and this type of, let's say, leave behind in a vehicle speaks to particular niches of customers in the pro detailing world really loudly. One of those niches that this means a lot to is moms who drive their kids around in their vehicle. I can't tell you how many mothers that are regular clients of mine who drive a Honda Pilot, a Sequoia, a minivan, some sort of SUV car that they're toting their kids around, and they're constantly thinking, what's the product I need to have where I can just clean stuff up in my car regularly when it happens? And because this isn't sold ready to use, I actually make it for them, leave it behind, and what happens? My customers, when I see them next, all say the same thing. Hey Luke, I've been using this bottle of cleaner. It's amazing. I almost am excited when something goes wrong in my car so that I can pull this out and use it. I had one customer tell me, Luke, I've just been spraying it in the air because it smells so good. What's my point? There are niches of customers, yes, maintenance customers, but even within maintenance customers, things like moms who kind of have a dirty car all the time because they feel like they're responsible for toting their kids around and their kids are constantly throwing stuff and getting fingerprints on the windows. This makes them feel like, oh my gosh, I can keep my car, aside from you, in pretty good condition, then you can come reset it every month, 2 months, whatever the maintenance plan is. So this tiny little gift serves in all of these ways that it's almost like indescribable how easy it is to do, how cheap it is to do, and how effective it is, not just for my customer relationship, but practically with the detail that I'm actually responsible for doing. Now, what's another niche that something like this means a lot to the person who receives it? A lot of my regular clients are also guys who tend to have muscle cars, sports cars that they don't drive on a daily basis. They might drive it once every weekend if it's sunny outside, and the car never sees any rain. And they're always asking me, hey Luke, I know that you've got, Quick Detailers, and you got Mother's Quick Detailer, Meguiar's Quick Detailer, and these are guys who spend time in the garage. They're pretty familiar with name brands in the detailing world, but they say, I don't really like those products. They tend to streak my black Jaguar. It's hard for me to kind of get all of the liquid off every time. Is there some sort of product that's just easy to spray on, easy to wipe off, little bits of dust here and there? Guess what that product is? Optimum No Rinse Diluted in a tiny little bottle of distilled water, tap water, whatever you want to use. This product lets them spray the door handle where they got fingerprints on it from opening the door. Yes, some customers actually care about that. Wipe it off with a simple microfiber towel. There's nothing left behind. You don't have to overly buff it off. It's extremely easy to pull off. All of a sudden, this little product is the solution to the problems they were having. So guys, in the legitimate business sense, in terms of how much does this cost? Who actually does this belong to? Who should I do it for? No, I don't leave this kind of thing behind in one-off customers' vehicles, one ceramic coating job, one time I ever see the customer, and I'm never gonna see them again. This type of bottle is reserved for maintenance clients, people who I'm gonna see on a regular basis, people who I wanna form a greater relationship with. You can use this strategically. This kind of thing makes people remember you as a professional detailer. So that's the kind of clientele that I reserve this for. And as you do something like this, you will find that there are niches within your business that kind of lend themselves to something like this, and it becomes very effective with one particular type of customer base. So that's it, guys. This is extremely obvious, I know, but it's one of those kind of closely held secrets that I've been doing and I've just not talked about at a really high level yet. Now guys, like I said, make sure before you leave this video, go below in the YouTube description box. If you like tips like this, you are going to love the Essential Detailing Toolbox, those top 12 tools and products to start your detailing business for under $500 today. The link is in the YouTube description box below. Guys, if you appreciate the value in this video, hit the like button, because if you hit the like button, it lets me know, hey, I can make more videos with little secrets like this to help people move forward in their detailing businesses like I kind of wish I would have had help 10 years ago. Guys, thank you so much, and as always from Luke here at Wilson Auto Detailing, keep working hard, and I will see you in the next video.